Today we will do one Spark program and we'll see how to write a data frame into a Parquet file as well as a Parquet table. So let's start with the program. So I'm importing a library called find Spark. Find Spark is just to find the location of the Pyspark module which is installed in your system. You need not actually use it when you are using in production, but since in the local I do not remember the path of the Pyspark library, I'm using this find Spark. So if required, you can also use it in your local setup. Otherwise, it in production it is not required. So now we can import Spark session from pyspark.sql module. Using this, we can create a Spark context and create data frame or do like whatever we want in Spark. So let's create some random data as of now. So let's have something like, sorry, say 1, 2, 3. This is my first row. Second row is say 4, 5, 6, and third row is say 7, 8, 9. So suppose this is my data, some random data I've just created for the demo purpose. And let's have the header. Say first, suppose these are say ranks in maths, physics, and chemistry. Just some random headers I've given. So basically, it means that the first column is the rank of a student in maths, the second column is the rank of a student in physics, and third column is the rank of a student in chemistry. So we have the data and header specified here. So now let's create a data frame, PySpark data frame, sc dot, so not sc, sorry, I forgot before we have to create a Spark context, right? So sc dot spark session dot, using builder, we create a Spark session. We have to just give a random name of the application. So I'm just giving it as save as table dot get or create. So if a Spark session is already created, it will just return that. Otherwise, it will create a new Spark session for us. So that is what is meant by get or create function here. So yeah. So now we'll use this Spark session for creating a data frame with the data and header that we have here. Sorry. Yeah. For the data and header, which we have just specified. So our data frame is created here. Now we will write this data frame to a Parquet file as well as save it as a Parquet table. So let's see how can we do this. So df dot write dot format. So we have this to specify the format as Parquet. We can specify any format here like JSON or CSV or any other thing as per our requirement, then save, and we have to give the output path. So I'll just mention it as output Parquet, and so basically this statement will create a Parquet, sorry, Parquet file. Now if we want to create a table, then we have to specify the format and create and use the save as table function to create a say Parquet table. We can give the table name here. So I'm just giving a random name, Parquet table. So a table with this name will be created. So create table. Now I've saved this program. Let's run it and see whether we are getting the correct output or not. So there is some error. It is saying not able to find. Okay, there is a typo. Find Spark. Find. There is a typo here also. Find Spark. Yeah. Okay, one more typo. So this F should be capital. I fixed this. Let's save and run it again. An error occurred while calling o44.saveAsTable. Okay, so at least we can see here this output Parquet file. This is created here. There is no issue. Okay. I got it again. This is due to a typo. I'll just delete this output Parquet which is created here. I'll run this code once again. Yeah. So I'm getting this warning. We can ignore it. This is coming because we are running it on a local setup where Hadoop is not installed. So that is why we are getting this warning. Just ignore it. It shouldn't uh, be it shouldn't bother us basically. So we'll see the output. This first we'll go through the output Parquet file which is created here. You can see it is created here. So inside that you have the success file, which basically means that the output is created successfully, and these are the various partitions. So how many partitions we have? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 partitions of this file are created. The second thing is the table, Parquet table. So this is created under the Spark warehouse folder. This folder is automatically created when we do saveAsTable command. When we run this command, saveAsTable, and after inside this you can see that Parquet table is there, and here also we have success file, which means the operation has been executed successfully. And one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. 8 partitions are there for the table also. So yeah, this is how we have created a Parquet file and a Parquet table using Pyspark. You can mention any other format like CSV or JSON or any other acceptable format, and a corresponding file will be created. So hope you have learned something out of the video. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe it.